a lipstick stain on your shirt? Who gave you that lipstick stain?
Adanna, I ask you again. Who is that man to you? And what relationship do you have with him?
He's just my friend.
To get rid of anyone that tries to separate myself from my wife. So I am warning you. Stay away from my wife or I will kill you.
See who is talking. You that have been sleeping with my fiancée, Adanna.
What do you mean by being a friend with a married man? It's no one.
Yes, sir!
No woman born of a mother will ever take your place.
I'm so disappointed in Adanna. How could she be cheating on a man that wants to marry her?
I just went to have a drink with my friend.
I do not.
Really? Tell your girlfriend that. Next time, I will pour acid on her ugly face. This man treats her well. He treats her like his queen. Where can you find such man? Where?
Don't go.
You husband snatcher!
Babe.
So, I said you to leave my husband. Look it.
Onye